Mittal, the Managing Director of Bharat Wire Ropes, now joins in. Hi, Mr. Mittal. Thanks very much for making the time for us at the fag end of the year. I want to ask you, it's just been about 8 months, right, since you listed. The stock has seen a fabulous reception. Is there anything new that's happening? I mean, I know that you had promised that one of your plants would be coming on stream in December. I believe that's on track.
Yeah.
How's business going? Any impact of demonetization?
Let me just briefly explain you. First of all, thank you all the investors who have subscribed the IPO and also team member who has, created these facilities, world-class facilities in the shortest period of time. This is highly engineering industries which we set up at Chalisgaon. We promised that we'll be setting up this engineering product company at Chalisgaon by December 2016, and we are very much in track, and we are starting our production within few weeks. So that is one reason why market or investors is following up, and I believe that market sense very fast what is going on in the company. Many companies promise, but they delay the project. We are very much in time. I also remember 18th October in the CNBC, I told that we got 25 crores orders, which will be executed from our existing plant at Adgaon and Chalisgaon. And also bid 50 crores rupees various tenders. There also, let me confirm that most of the orders we are L1. And those orders includes not only domestic, exports, defense, and very, very reputed customers in India. Once orders received in our hands, we'll definitely inform the stock exchange and we'll come back. But majority orders, we are L1.
Mr. Mittal, when is the new capacity going to start producing?
This new capacity within a few weeks we are starting.
Okay.
We promised December, and we are very much in time, and we are starting
We
shortly.
understand the capacity utilization in the existing plant is actually only under 50–55%.
Yeah.
I mean, what's the need for this new capacity?
The existing capacity is almost machines are 25 to 30 years old machines. We cannot go more than 50–60% capacity. A lot of problems are there.
Okay.
That's why we set up new capacity, which is German plant and Korean plant.
So effectively, you're operating at a very high capacity.
Very high capacity existing one. But new plant, we are confident the way we put up the plant, which is German and Korean, is one of the best plant in the world. In fact, I don't have a confirmed number, but it is the only plant, one of the best plant in the world, having all type facility under one roof. So within the factory, which give us value additions, and we can be the most competitive price-wise and quality-wise.
Okay, that's interesting, your optimism, given that commodity prices have been weighing on your top line now. What's the kind of volume growth that you're estimating for the full FY17 and going ahead into FY18?
Well, actually, first the commodity price is not affecting our final bottom lines and top line. This is engineering product. It's not the normal commodity product, so it's highly specialized engineering product. Value-wise, I'm looking around, say, 30,000 tons capacity utilizations in 17–18, and maybe 40,000 and then 50,000 tons capacity utilizations. And our sales price range between 90 to 120 rupees. So you can just estimate that we are very much in line projections-wise. And we are confident the way global players, global customers are focusing in India, and almost 10 big customers from international market, which are new facility, they are very excited. And this is, we never expected such a facility can be created in India. And they are very keen to do the business with us shortly.
So what is your domestic and exports mix?
Domestic, we are expecting around 40%, 60% from the export market, and mainly from Europe and Australia, New Zealand, Germany, China. Including China, we are targeting that, yes, we'll be able to export to China.
Wow.
Which looks very difficult market, but we are confident that we'll be able to export to China shortly.
Could you give us some numbers, some projections?
I told you that next year's 17–18, we are expecting 30,000 tons top lines. And next year, then
30,000 tons of
metric tons.
volume.
Volume-wise. As rate is 90 to 120, 130 rupees, depending on what type of ropes we are going to use it. Because this rope is used for the mainly engineering purpose, mining purpose, oil and gas sectors.
130 rupees a kilo?
100, yeah.
Okay.
Per kg, 1,30,000 rupees per tons or 1 lakh rupees per tons. Where steel price is no doubt firm up, but still around 35,000 rupees is per ton is price, steel price. So we have the sufficient margin because of the infrastructure purpose and engineering product. It's not normal commodity part. It is a very, very specialized product.
So you will start moving a lot of the production orders that you were delivering from your old plant to the new plant, I'm assuming?
Old plant will continue the high value product like slings. Slings we are selling up to, if you see per kg was 350,000 metric tons also, with the fittings, which is used for the shipping purpose and for lifting of cranes purpose, other purpose. So old plant will continue the high value product and small orders. All the big orders will execute from the Chalisgaon plant. And Chalisgaon plant, as I told you, this is a very, very highly technical site, most sophisticated machinery which we imported from Germany and South Korea.
And just one final question, sir. I know you took over the company in 2010, prior to which the promoters were the Shah Group. There were a lot of corporate governance issues. I believe they still hold about 7% stake in the company. What's the status of that? Are those issues, have they been resolved? How does it move from here?
Ma'am, it took 5 years time me to clear the balance sheet and call the corporate governance. Being a chartered accountant, I can tell you that corporate governance will be highest standard. I can definitely prove that our corporate governance is highest. All the legacy of old promoters, no pending issue at all. Okay. No pending issue, and we are going to perform, and the board also, we are the respected boards, 3 bankers, ex-chairmen and MDs on the banks in the board. So we are very, very highly corporate governance concerned.
Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.